especially when you're starting a new project or jumping into a new project, is like actually taking that time to understand what you want to achieve. A lot of people just jump headfast without, understanding, setting those goals, managing expectations, things like that. So I think it's always important to have that meeting with the stakeholders that have been involved, help them understand the why. Why are we doing this? What do we hope to achieve? Who's responsible for what are the key metrics that we want to track for each person, because the more clarity people have, the more I find the more productive they are, and the more they're able to deliver, and the more they're efficient, and having like clear deadlines. So like SMART goals, this is what we want to achieve by then, who is responsible, who is accountable. There's this thing called like RACI, which is responsible, accountable, collaborating,
contributing,
contributing,
and informed. Yes.
Yeah, so I think for projects, I found the most successful projects are the ones where we are very, very clear on what we want to achieve and who's responsible for what.
That makes sense. And I think that's just generally good advice in any domain, is that the more you can be clear on the why, why are we doing this? What is the purpose? And not just in your own mind, but in the minds of anybody else involved, and the specifics of what success looks like what is the desired outcome? How will we know when we have achieved what we're trying to do? And obviously defining what it is we're trying to do, and then communicating that with everybody rather than assuming, so that everybody's on the same page. So at the risk of making yourself slightly annoying, saying, okay, everybody, I just want to make sure I understand and I got this right. So we're doing this because, we care about empowering African youth. And what are we doing? We're creating a program to help people acquire VA skills. What does success look like? Success looks like that we can go out and have 60% of our graduates get jobs as VAs within the first 3 months of graduating the program, right? So, and then saying that back to everybody, did I get that right? So that, and inevitably you're going to get people go, well, that's actually, you'll find these points of disagreement that you can iron out in advance before you do all the work and go, ta-da, I did it. And they're like, well, wait a minute, this doesn't meet what I wanted. So being extra clear and explicit up front about why, what, and what does success look like.